In a significant biodiversity survey conducted in Gaumukhi rural municipality of Pyuthan district, researchers have recorded 4,538 individual birds representing 217 different species. The bird count conducted for the first time by the rural municipality in coordination with the Himalayan Research Center covered elevations ranging from 1,100 meters in Tulabesi to 3,300 meters in Nangile. The survey took place in two phases, in the Nepali month of Asoj 2081 BS and Boisak 2082 BS, and revealed the presence of rare migratory birds including the globally threatened bearded vulture from Mongolia and the black-necked crane which flies south through Nepal's skies. The Nepali month of Asoj count recorded winter visitors like the bearded vulture and the black-necked crane, while the Boisak phase identified summer arrivals such as 8 species of cuckoos, 2 types of drongos, paradise flycatchers, sunbirds, and warblers. Among the 217 species documented, 99 are considered of high conservation importance.
भविष्यको दिनमा यो पारिस्थितिक पढाइलाई कसरी हामीले केन्द्रकारी संरक्षण गर्ने, त्यसलाई अझै केन्द्रकारी जगेर्ना गर्ने, प्रमोट गर्ने पाटोहरुमा पनि यो अनुसन्धान अविस्मरणीय र उल्लेखनीय सहयोग पुग्नेछ भन्ने आशा लिएको छ।
2 of Nepal's 9 nationally protected bird species, the Himalayan monal and the Kalis pheasant, were also found in the area. The survey confirmed the presence of 5 globally threatened vulture species, including the red-headed vulture, Himalayan griffon, white-rumped vulture, bearded vulture, and the slender-billed vulture. The report also notes that 17 species are endangered, 4 are endemic to limited regions, 69 are habitat-specific, and 31 are listed under the CITES Convention. Breeding evidence of the Himalayan vulture and bone-breaker vulture was also recorded in the area.
जैविक विविधताले भरिपूर्ण क्षेत्र हो र चाहिँ दुर्लभ वन्यजन्तुहरू पनि पाउने ठाउँ हो। जस्तै उच्च कोटी भिर भन्ने ठाउँको वरिपरिको क्षेत्रमा त्यो ठाउँमा चाहिँ त्यो हाइटमा हुने चीजहरु पनि वन्यजन्तुका जुन हुन्छन् यो त्यो हाइटमा हुने वन्यजन्तुहरु पनि पाउँछ त्यहाँ।
Back in 2016, the Department of Forests and Soil Conservation proposed declaring approximately 180.382 square kilometers of Gaumukhi as a protected forest area. In addition to bird life, the study identified 8 species of butterflies, 5 fish species, 4 amphibians, 8 reptile species, and 18 types of mammals. The report suggests that urgent action is required at the local level to preserve bird habitats and ensure that biodiversity is not disturbed during development activities. A report by Shamsher Bikram GC for Kantipur News.